lecturers and present classmates. I'm Natalie and I'm presenting on behalf of my team Ariel. This is for ENBE Project 1. So we have 12 boards in total. Our theme is physical attributes and characteristics. We have followed a cool color tone scheme, so it ranges from purple to blue to green. Our first board is the introduction board, and this displays our theme here, the members of our group, contents of all boards, and the icons that show throughout all of them. The second board is titled Themes. So this board contains an elaboration of our theme, what categories that fall under it, including the definition and graphical examples for the viewer to have a better understanding of what our theme is all about before they're exposed to the information that we present. It's displayed through flip-ups, and we have like pulleys and interesting sort of graphic displays here. The third board is titled Our Project, and it's a depiction of the steps that we've taken in order to complete our project requirements, as well as a list of goals and objectives that we've hoped to achieve. It also includes a map about the location that we've conducted our study in. The fourth board is titled What We Don't See. It is basically an introduction to our site. The data represented here is wind speed, sun rotation, temperature, the river current, and location of each specimen found. It's depicted through this flip-up pulley here that you can see. Okay, it is dissected into the three levels of our site. The first level being this portion. Second level is this medium colored blue, and the third level is the third level being the darkest blue shade. And under each of them, the data represented is on the top flap. Yeah, so it talks about the depth of the river, the current speed, fast, slow, as well as the specimens that we collected, exactly where in the site that we have found them. Yes, it's the layering of our site, our river technically. Okay, the fifth board is our site LPV. It is a 2-scale, 3-dimensional model displaying the lateral plan view of our chosen site. The scale used here is 1 to 12 exactly, and it includes the cross-sections, 4 cross-sections, AA, BB, CC, and DD. Yeah. And this is the drawing, 2-scale drawing that we did so that you can relate the drawing to the model. Okay. The sixth board is the explanation of the cross-sections specifically. This is where the previously mentioned cross-sections here are drawn out. This is also to scale using 1 to 25 scale. The seventh board is called the overview board. It is like the main blanket board to explain all of the specimens that we've found on our site collectively. It is arranged into 3 parts: the insects, the plants, and animals. It includes a small picture and the scientific or common name that is well known for. The eighth board is the detailed study of the rocks. It is arranged from texture, being the roughest at the top and the smoothest at the bottom. Okay. It includes the physical component study, the percentage, and biological type of the rock. The ninth board is titled The Oxygen Factory. It is the detailed study of the vegetation. It includes the physical components and characteristics, which relates back to our theme. It's mainly broken down here. The 10th board is titled Fast and Furious because it is the detailed study of the animals and the insects. Like the previous boards, 1, 2, 3, it displays the study of physical components and the characteristics. For these 3 boards, the main focus of study is within its physical components include the shape, the size, the texture, color, and the pattern. Yeah, I finished. The 11th board is titled Sensational. It is the depiction of 5 senses that we have. Under each sense is the unique experience in relation to our sight. It is related to the previously mentioned specimens as it is the linchpin to the relationship between the senses and the things that we've studied. The 12th board is the final board. It is the awareness and conclusion board. It is the summed up collection of what we have learned, how our words are related to our project, and the awareness messages we think need to be heard. Our thoughts and reflections are arranged inside the acorn, and the awareness messages are written on the green leaves outside its border. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.